Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Learn Guitar. We have Tom Grennan with the song called Full Attention. And if you want to learn this song, I'm asking for your full attention for 3 minutes or so. That is how fast it goes to learn this song. So let's go into Tom Grennan's song. And we're going to use a capo set on 4th position. That's the absolute best scenario. Let's go through the chords. And we're going to start with A. Okay, so A goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Next chord is the E minor, which is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have G next, and that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And finally, we got the D chord. And it goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. All right? So we're going to play that chord progression throughout the song. Now, how are we going to handle it? Let's go to the first chord, A, and you're going to play this. It's a pretty long strumming pattern, but you're going to start with 3 downs. So it goes like this. I like to play the first 2 downs on the bass strings, and the last 3rd down I'll go down on the high strings. That's just me. I think it sounds better for this specific song. So, and then comes down, up, down. And then up, down. And that's it. So 3 downs, down, up, down, like this. And a couple of rounds to get the feeling for it. It goes like this. Alright, so you have the strumming now, and like I said, you're going to play the same chord progression throughout the song. You're going to play one of these strumming patterns per chord. So A1, E minor 1, G1, D1, like this. Alright guys, as I promised, it goes very fast to learn a song like this. We had Tom Grennan's Full Attention, 4 chords, 1 string pattern, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.